humbled to invite on stage Dr. Ann Wamuratha. Are you ready for her? Are you ready for her? Oh, what an honor! What an honor to have this great woman of God in the house. Dagitari, Dugata ya Mwadani, Ann Wamuratha.
Asifiwe, Bwana asifiwe, tumsifu Yesu Kristo, Mwadani ya Rogoshwa, Mwadani ya Yesu Roka, Akabino Makola Atia, Yesu Lemore, So thank you so much. Congratulations my sister, Wagojiri at 50. We salute you, my sister. You're still looking young and we want to thank God that this far He has brought you. And we really appreciate that our God has brought you this far. I am sure a number of you are wondering, when it is necessary. But when it is not, I speak Kikuyu because I'm employed to speak Kikuyu. I work for Royal Media Services in radio and TV, and we use other Kikuyu content. So I speak Kikuyu every day. I'm employed to speak Kikuyu. Now they have one equality Kikuyu. But I would not. And I want to thank God. And ladies, you are looking nice. And all of you are looking young. And there are no women here, they are only girls. And we really want to thank our sister Wagojiri for giving us such a moment and a season that has not been a season of events. But we really want to thank God. Last year, at a time like this, we weren't very sure where we will be. And we weren't very sure the magics we were doing at home, trying to take every medicine available. Na kile vyote wewe no kione COVID tukibiwa gato gestimaga ile sana sito ikira fafa wa dad tutaambia watoto wetu venye mlikuwa mnaturoga. They did not understand what you are going through. But we thank God we are here today celebrating our sister Lucy at 50. And we really want to thank God that 50 is half a century. When I was growing up, and I've realized when I baby top stick and I make like a harrier, I am making the kefale catching a 50. Okay, because according to her, she's still way down there. And we really want to thank God that the Lord is there. Nick campaign in Royal Media Services, Jarageria to my boy shout, my man to what? Together, Akayo, the person of Akani is go to tell me. No man in the year mood. He got to walk of 15 in the colony. What did you have 15 of the Mama go to the New Okolone na toido kiria kimuheteriri muno ni mundu uramuthatha. Kana muona atebo na kumono na ngethathaika. Leo mundu orero it is well at 50. Miaka neshokaga na thutha. No wahikiare mukire gogo nundu wake bao thate wake rumba no mwitio mundu ndaragoithio rugare nigetha ona Bishop JJ yetwiraga etabatanya mwira atene komagia migwi etagwo ndu jege riu niturona iretu itukomia imigwi komia irugare etekerai kwarerio na mwarerio ni anake airetu etu tafadhali indo ici iramoregia indo nguru tafadhali eheherai indo ici nguru airetu etu tigai kwegwithia kirathi imagine yaona na atetu soka ikaraga na mundu hagura gwetia dawa ni uria kwa kibeko where you are. That's where you are. You only need to accept them as they are. No, tari uhana tagige. Tari na kionaki nehe dwarati. Tule moto pe odapia. Kamaraga. That's when I see go this after this magic. But again, I want to say it is important. It is not a bed of roses. It has not been easy. I'm going 25 years this coming April, and I want to thank God for His faithfulness. And I've been married to a reverend all these years. Now, I need to get this ready to go to the Hoya. Who did I get a motor on a Kumamora where a Karamuduaka? Do this and get to a Hedania or Muzarafaini? No, the dark in the heart of the younger gave what they are. Why? Or a minute, they will give that wish of manner. And this is why I've kept on telling women marriage is good for those of you God has given you an opportunity. But again, I'm also telling women those who have not gotten an opportunity, we can't be more good. Oh, nobody will get the no go gaya diare kuona gerando mari okuo matidirete no we hekarati indu getu auki noro gatisi watu kinodana au kiara la kumatura ine kwara kora godore buone ki kora godore avelago kora gowe na karati kora gowe na status tiolio rosi ne hoi ne veto ai ola just be there. I would also want to talk to our women who have been divorced. We have realized not all divorced women are evil. No, kegeria tu kiona handu hakuragwo temutumia urorora ngioyo na ciana ciake na ni aronete bangire rangi wona akerwo ni andu no akeyumiriria tu ati kwe ngai uri ukaona ngai ndendaga urimu iwaikara ũguo wone rũhiũ mũndũ wa ngai kĩũraruga na waimera na kũu kwĩ ngai wa ihinda rĩngĩ no nĩ njĩraga atumia make a decision that when you look back 20 years later you will not regret. You will say it was worth making that decision. Atumia natoka nao huko adigwa. I'm sure we have widows. Nekuo atigeto ne atulia na make hubariri na noe mutumia woga muthuri okunete akoro akwire ne koro aragwa morarire wega akoro akwire ne mutuno afara ne wa mwariria o akoro igenwe cio woga wana igererwo ukirago kerifanifa tiga gwikocha hau ukira wethambe ukira umagare na mauga ni oropirwo kamera uhoro wakobwo weho to mundu ni aragethire ndirekira mubuto ndirera Kristo anyombe anyonie njira kuria arona mathiaga njere twana tutu totinda hau wethikirite ukuhendio ni arume magikwira mona mari na thire na muthuri guo magikwira mwana waku urathire aya ngituri guku ndugaking'ane muno turi guku sigothie haria ugokirira inya ciana nduguthomithia. So that is not what brought us here. Macio nimo njaragia niguo ngwenda kuga na gukiareria maboi ciao makigia ndugu na atumia na gukira atumia riu ithuĩ haria tukinyite miaka itu twina Wangũnjiri riu tukinyitie miaka iria riu my husband is my brother turi o hau no ciũria tũranagia tũrarehe maĩ mahiũ riu ithuĩ maũndũ ma kũrera nĩ twatigire ithuĩ tũtingiona maithori tũtingiona mamathirire ithuĩ tũtingiona thaa cia gũtinda hau makaciriko riu nĩ ndegete hau akandegenda ũkauga haiya tũgũkinyanagia hau and you move on because at 50 there are battles you have fought. I'm talking to ladies who are not yet 50. Me, I got to 50 last year. Na tienda kugo gotondo kwetu gahana Wangũnjiri no jero de muhegeti
Niĩ ndĩrakinyire fifth class tia. No ngĩkoragwo njigana ũũ na ndikoragwo na apology tondũ ũyũ nĩwe niĩ na rĩu ngakĩra Ngai nĩ wega tondũ nĩahotithirie kũrũgama gũkũ nĩgetha ndarĩria arũme makona tarĩ nyina rĩu nĩkĩo ndĩna ti kĩndũ kĩa mũndũ ũndĩte nĩkĩo indo ciakwa na cia mũrara rĩu koguo ndĩrenda kwĩra our young ladies wona andũ ta ngwangũnji makenete ũguo makenaga ndũgecirie nĩ tondũ atumia othe ona haha macinia ndũgecirie nĩ tondũ karũgendo kau gakoretwo ge ga smooth. There are battles we have fought, tũkagũa tũgokĩra, tũgathukania tũkamenyerana, tũgokĩra tũrĩ ahotani. Na nĩkĩratuona gũkũ twĩna Wagacara tũkiuga gũtũũra wambararĩtio tondũ wĩ Ngai tondũ nĩtũtoborete. Mũtũtũ tũrika tũcirũ tũrika twacirũ gatũtũ tũtarenda nginya kwarĩrio gakĩrĩkia kwarĩrio nĩkambĩrĩrĩka kekurire for your information ũkĩhikia wakorire by the way I had everything please na Ngai aikare Ngai rĩu ũndũ ũrĩa mwega is fighting your battles wisely. Mutumia is about wisdom. You know I was sitting down and sitting down now. Especially at the time when you are in an hour, you can't. Oh, what's up? You know, like of Maga will take you. At the Kanaka Mumina coach, I was sitting down. I remember the Maga and make you come out and the Tamano, Maria Hora in the Yetako Gavana Tamaka, the Kuaka and Tora, get to Gavana. No way of Kehetia, what the Kave get about tomorrow. And now this is where we look at the wisdom of Hillary Clinton. Mutumia wa Clinton, muthenya ũrĩa ndeto cia mũthuriwe na Monica ciaririo. Mutumia ũcio atire andũ a media makiumĩra ũguo aya moimĩra othe. Moe mariboti maigue nĩ aradivorce mũthuri. But when she stood, she said, Nature and I have a heart. All of you are here to get the information about my husband and Monica Lewinsky. And if there would be anyone talking about this story, that has to be me. And because I'm not talking about it, who are you to talk about it? Thank you! When I was there in the story. So don't eat you, crash back to you. So when we are getting to 50 and we get to 20 and 30 years of marriage, we can sit back and tell our young girls who are seated here, it has not been bread and butter, but the Lord has been faithful. We calculated our moves before we got to decide what we wanted to do.
That's right.
These stories are going to work as I see a moduli. Imagine mine. He came late last night. Imagine he came drunk. Imagine he's got 2 million in the account. Imagine, and he's thinking he's already taken 500,000. Now he has 1.5 million. I show him now. Now is 1.5. Now you can women are their own enemies. And many women don't believe that. Call my friends. Ask them where I am. No matter the call me. Good morning, Baba Shiko. Morning. Imagine Mike Danoka boy. No, Danoka. You are a degree. Go on, you want to this year, you never. There goes Saturday. I can't do Monica. Mamma, go ahead. Go get a book before it. The men are Moburia can try another one. Try any of my friends. I can wear a henna by Oslogi. I can wear a bakihura. Hi, Baba Shiro. Imagine my Danoka wife. Could you be aware of where he is? Therefore, in this year, curfew, you have a nutrient and had a bypass. I don't go. Men are partners in crime. Araira goko rekiokire ndimurehe. Akioya thimu mami kawiko mama agurukite na ndamura wiguku. Uhitukira goko toinukani. And the manual and the story was the same, protected. And then the man told the woman, Henaba, Sia Arataku, Hatumia, the Mahuri, Akehura Abe. Good morning. Kukorega out the Korea Maria, I told Dana Inoka, and up to now, the Royal Meako. Okay. You mean Danoka? Now they got it on the mirror. Your company. I said, and she never called to find out even where the girl was. And then called my other friend. Who is the other friend? Sue. Where is Sue? Sue! Good morning. You are Korean and then I'm with it. Ganayoka. Here I come and I said to me, I'm going to restaurant. Come back up and me. Look over the book. I'm praying to God. Women, can we now start changing this attitude? Yeah, we see that the shoulder, I'll be happy when I destroy you. Can we start now that we are continuing at 50, developing this kind of spirit where I would want to be walking with you, I would want to be standing with you and feeling good when we succeed. So that our homes can be happy and our girls can be happy and all of us will be celebrating our 50th anniversary, young as our sister Lucy is. And finally, not the last, finally, I would just want to say this. Rekei toikare mesie eraiguano ona to celebrate agira wagoji at 50. Atumia makini ya 50 aria mego. How many are 50 and above? Let's see the 50 girls and above. Ni waige. Atumia ashoro ninge 50 ya Kenya. Ona ne male na kafunjo keho. Ngabo ikagelia thuri moko. Nore kwa tikwanda ne mwere urarehe thina. Na ndameraga kuria deliverance ya Mama Sunday. Ule wothe ukinyitie miaka iyo na nĩaraigua karugendo gagĩthira. Mutumia wa Bishop Gachara nĩ ndĩrathiĩ ngĩthomithagia atumia acio karwĩmbo. Yesu itie nimalize mwendo. Atumia 50 kwa igũrũ Sarah itie nguvu nimalize mwendo. Leo natuo tutoke tunini mundu athia kimeragia mbere ciake nginya haria uri nogera tondu wakinya haria turi yoko ile Yesu nitie nguvu. So for now, let you be that one who has the energy now, use it properly. Tondu haria turi amutivia Bishop Gachara leo Yesu nitie nguvu.
Wow, tusimame tuweze